Picture yourself in a wide open field on a clear night. Look up. The sky is a sea of stars stretching endlessly. As time passes, you'll notice the stars seem to rotate around a single, unmoving point. Near that point is Polaris, the North Star. Polaris sits almost directly above Earth's North Pole, making it unique. While constellations like Orion and the Big Dipper move across the sky, Polaris barely shifts. It's the hub of the night sky's great wheel, a symbol of constancy. To find Polaris, use the Big Dipper. Draw a line through the two outer stars of its bowl, and you'll land on Polaris. This simple trick has guided people for generations. Once you know it, you can find north on any clear night in the northern hemisphere. Polaris isn't the brightest star, but its location makes it famous. It's a silent guide, a fixed point in a moving universe. For centuries, it's offered comfort and direction to those who look up. Polaris holds a place of honor in our sky, a true celestial anchor. Long before GPS or compasses, people navigated by the stars. For those in the northern hemisphere, Polaris was the ultimate guide. It marked north, letting travelers find their way across oceans and deserts. Imagine being a sailor, lost at sea. Polaris was a beacon of hope. Ancient mariners like the Phoenicians and Vikings relied on it to explore and connect the world. Polaris didn't just show direction. Its height above the horizon revealed your latitude. At the North Pole, it's overhead. At the equator, it's on the horizon. With a sextant, sailors could measure Polaris's angle and know their position. This turned the globe into a map, making exploration possible. Night after night, captains checked Polaris to stay on course. It was a cosmic positioning system, free to anyone who could read the sky. Polaris helped us understand our place on Earth. It's a beautiful example of how the universe guides our journeys. Polaris seems fixed, a steadfast anchor in the sky. Night after night it appears in the same spot, earning its reputation. But is it truly unmoving? The answer is no. Nothing in the universe is truly still. Earth spins, orbits the sun, and the sun moves through the galaxy. Polaris only looks still because it's almost perfectly aligned with Earth's axis of rotation. As Earth spins, Polaris stays near the center of the star trails in long-exposure photos. Its motion is so slight, it's invisible to the naked eye over centuries. Polaris is a massive, fast-moving star, but our perspective creates the illusion of stillness. It's a cosmic coincidence, a perfect alignment that makes Polaris legendary. The North Star's stillness is a trick of perspective, not reality. Polaris's role as North Star isn't permanent. Earth wobbles slowly as it spins, a motion called precession. This wobble takes about 26,000 years to complete a full circle. Because of precession, the celestial North Pole shifts, and so does our North Star. Thousands of years ago, Thuban and Draco was the North Star. Ancient Egyptians used Thuban for navigation just as we use Polaris today. Polaris is only our North Star for a brief chapter in history. Around the year 2100, Polaris will be closest to the pole, then the axis will drift away. In about 12,000 years, Vega will take Polaris's place as the North Star. The cycle reminds us, everything in the cosmos changes. The constellations shift, stars move, and even our planet's orientation evolves. Having a North Star is a temporary gift of celestial mechanics. Polaris is our guide for now, but its title will pass on. Polaris isn't just a single star, it's a family. The main star, Polaris A, is a supergiant, 46 times the size of our Sun. Orbiting it is Polaris B, a Sun-like star visible with a telescope. In 2006, Hubble revealed a third companion, Polaris AB, a tiny dwarf star close to Polaris A. What looks like one point of light is actually a complex system. Polaris is more than a signpost. It's a dynamic, fascinating family of stars. Its story spans past, present, and future, connecting us to the cosmos. The North Star is a legend, with secrets waiting for curious minds to discover.